13, and we are at the grocery store getting some stuff to make spaghetti. I really want to go ahead and grocery shop, but it's raining today, so it's raining today, and I do not care to be getting wet. So we're just gonna get some stuff to make spaghetti. Y'all, I don't even drink sodas like that, but baby, this darn cream soda Faygo and this cotton candy, put it in the freezer for a little while. Oh yeah, thank me later. Y'all, these right here. These right here, baby. It's a must-have. It's a must-have, but not a need. If you're washing your figure, don't listen to me. Well, I'm washing mine too, cause baby, I'm fine. But you know, it's called balance. You gotta be able to do both. You gotta have that Parmesan. Got plenty of cheese at home. What is spaghetti? I think I already got some spaghetti at home. I'm gonna just get this. Nothing like fresh noodles, yeah. So, honey, we at the hood grocery store, and they don't have a lot of options as far as the sauce, and especially the ones I use. So I'm probably gonna go to Winn-Dixie and get my sauce because I ain't settling. We got the meat, we got the noodles, we got garlic bread, we got something to drink, we got grated cheese, and Rice Krispies again. I think that's it. All right, so we're gonna go to Winn-Dixie and get the sauce, okay? Yeah. All right, guys, so we'll be back once we make it to Winn-Dixie. All right, we have made it to Winn-Dixie, and we need some spaghetti sauces. Where are they? I'm all over here with the Rotel, huh? Spaghetti sauce. I kind of want to try something new, but trying something new can go left sometimes. Ooh, this bertone looks. Is up out of here. I'm ready to go home. Tomato paste. Tomato paste. I kind of want to put some of this in there. Put this in it. Alright guys, so we have made it home. I have laid out all the ingredients that I'm going to be needing for this recipe. So we have our Rotel tomatoes, our tomato paste, the Parmesan cheese is for after it's done. We're going to be making sweet corn as well to go with this. And then we have our 3 sauces that we got from Winn-Dixie. We got our red crushed peppers, minced garlic. We have our ground beef, and then all of our seasonings over here that we're going to be using. We got some Creole. We got our garlic salt, garlic powder. We got our Chef Kim's all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, seasoning salt, and Nature's seasoning blend. So we're gonna put all of that in our spaghetti. I'm going ahead and oh, and sugar. Sugar. I'm going ahead and showing you this because once I start making it, I'm probably not gonna be re-saying what I'm using. So yeah, let's get started. Right, we are gonna go ahead and get started. I already turned the stove on so that my hamburger meat can start browning. So I'm just gonna cut up this onion here. Alright, so we got our onion chopped. I am about to go ahead and add in the ground beef. So now I'm about to go ahead and add the ground beef. Y'all, I do not like to touch ground beef. I'm trying my best to get it out. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Bump this. Oh! I didn't mean to cook all of it. So we're just gonna let this brown, and then I'm gonna season it after it browns. As I said before, y'all gotta excuse how I look. As I said before, we are gonna be trying something new. I've never put the breakfast sausage in my spaghetti, but today we're doing it, and we're just gonna see how it turns out. So I got my pot on back here. I'm just gonna squeeze this. I'm just gonna squeeze this out. Guys, so the hamburger meat is done. We got our sausage still finishing up over here. So now that the hamburger meat is done, let's turn it down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and add our onion. I actually really meant to add these while it was cooking, but they'll cook down and simmer when I add the sausage. So we're just gonna stir the onions in there. Remember I said that I'm gonna season it at this point instead of seasoning it while it had the grease in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning salt. Chef Kim's all-purpose seasoning. A little bit of Nature's Own. A little bit of onion powder. garlic salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Creole. Italian. Now I know this may seem like a lot of seasoning, y'all, but spaghetti, honey, you got to season your spaghetti, and that's just period. Don't nobody want no bland spaghetti. Go ahead and pour the sausage in here. Together really, really well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my water on for my noodles. I always cook my noodles last. I don't like, you know, any soggy noodles. So we're gonna pour some oil in here so our noodles don't get stuck together. And we're also gonna add some garlic, minced garlic to this as well. Rotel tomatoes. These Rotel tomatoes, I got the mild kind. This is just gonna add extra flavor. I did not drain the juice off of them because, you know, it doesn't hurt to have the juice in it because the meat is already, you know, getting dry because of just how it's, you know, just sitting there. So we're gonna go ahead and open up our corn. You gotta multitask when you cook them. Start on one thing, go ahead and start on another, so you can get it done. So I am gonna drain the corn. Go ahead and go in with our first sauce, which is the sweet tomato basil. We're gonna This is our other tomato base, sweet tomato basil. Now we're gonna go in with the roasted garlic. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar, not a lot because we used the sweet tomato basil already, so it's probably honestly really already sweet. So we're just gonna put a little bit of sugar. Y'all, this made a lot I know y'all probably like, dang, it's just you and Aiden. But I always make enough, you know, so we can eat on it for a couple of other days. And I have a really big family, so really, honestly, anytime any of us cook, we always cook a lot, you know, enough to go around and, you know, kind of spread throughout the family. So, you know, everybody eat good over here in my family, period. Alright, so for the corn, we're going to use some Old Bay seasoning. Mark it till you try it, okay? So we got a little bit of Old Bay, got some Creole. Now the curn about to buzz now. I can make some good corn now. A little bit of Nature's Blend. And Italian seasoning. I know y'all probably like Italian and corn. Yeah. Season your corn, sis. And a little bit of sugar. Don't ask me how much. I just be pouring stuff until I feel like it's right. A little bit more. And last but not least, you gotta add your unsalted butter. Right, we gotta add our secret ingredient, which is grape jelly. Don't knock it till you try it. Don't knock it till you try it. Period. So, got some grape jelly in there. Alright, now we're gonna add our spaghetti. Ooh, hot. So you already know how your girlfriend gonna make hers. I gotta put some Parmesan on top. And that Italian 6 cheese. Y'all, I love cheese, so. Cheesy. Garlic bread. And a little bit of curd. Y'all already know I had to make some Rice Krispies. It would not be dinner without the Krispies. Alright guys, so this about wraps it up for this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and like this video if you haven't already liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.